In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Windows 11 failing to update its system due to the Voicemeeter driver right here. Now, this basically means that your PC has a driver that isn't ready for the version of Windows you're trying to update into. So you want to go ahead and basically update Voicemeeter or completely uninstall it. Now, finding it onto the registry on your Windows is going to be almost impossible because it's really hard to locate them. So what we can try to do is to navigate through our browser, simply search for Voicemeeter, and you want to update your Voicemeeter by installing a fresh copy on the original website itself. If not, what you can do is to head over to the Add or Remove Programs. From here, you then want to completely uninstall Voicemeeter to make sure that the driver is removed. From there, you want to update your Windows 11 and you can install it back in, making sure that the Voicemeeter driver is completely out of the problem for the update right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.